Hello traffic dominators, Wayne here. Now in this video I'm going to answer that question, does this really work? Okay, I want to get you excited. I want to see that excitement in you as soon as you join this members area and you start seeing what we've got inside the group. So what I've done is I've got a whole ton of testimonials you can see on the screen, but before we get into those, I really want to treat this area. Okay, I want you to treat this area as if you've spent $1,000, $2,000 getting access to it. Okay, even though it's free, do not underestimate the power of the training that you're going to get. We've put a lot of time and effort into this training, and it works, as you can see from these testimonials behind me. So I'm going to flick to my screen just here. Okay, you can do it. You're inside the group already. Okay, so you're inside the Traffic Dominators group. You can search testimonial. You can see there is absolutely hundreds of testimonials. But what we've got is we'll go to this first post we see. Okay, and then we will open it up and we'll click previous comments. Okay, so you can see there's tons and tons and tons and tons of testimonials here, guys. This stuff works if you put in the effort. Okay, this is the easiest way that you're going to find to earn money without investing any money into our training. So what I want you to do is watch the next video that shows you how to use this members area and get stuck into the training we've got for you. I am super excited to have you here on board, and putting your testimonial on this testimonial wall you see behind me is part of the process, guys. Once you have been through all the training, you start making your sales and your commissions, you put your testimonial here to inspire other people to get started with us. Don't delay, get started on the next video below this right now, and we'll see you on the inside of the training.